In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GoHighLevel templates and share with agencies. Before we click anything, a quick heads up. Uploading websites to your template library and sharing them does require a paid GoHighLevel plan. I'll still walk you through the process end to end so you can see exactly what it looks like and decide if upgrading makes sense. First, make sure you already have a website you want to turn into a template. This can be a site you've built for a client or a starter layout you use repeatedly. Take a moment to tidy it up. Replace client-specific details with placeholders, set up global sections and styles, and check both desktop and mobile views. A clean, generic version will save you time later and keep private information out of your template. When you're ready, open your GoHighLevel dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Sites, then choose Websites. This is where all your site projects are listed. Find the website you want to templatize. On the right side of that site's row or card, click the three-dot menu to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Upload to Website Templates. This action creates a reusable template from your existing website and places it into your template library. That library is what allows you to share your work with other accounts and agencies, and it keeps your original site untouched. If your account isn't on the correct plan, GoHighLevel will prompt you to upgrade at this point. That's expected. You'll need a plan tier that includes template uploads and sharing. If you manage a team, confirm that your user role has permission to perform uploads. Once you have access, the upload flow typically asks for a template name, a short description, and a category. Use a clear, benefit-driven name, add a concise description of who the template is for, and pick a category that makes it easy to find. Add a clean preview image if prompted. Double-check that no client logos, personal data, or tracking codes remain in the template. After the upload completes, your website is now a template that agencies with access can use inside their own accounts. That's the key step to enabling sharing. No need to rebuild the same site from scratch each time. And that's it. You ensured you had a clean website ready, navigated to sites and websites, used the three-dot menu, and uploaded it to your template library, with the reminder that a paid plan is required. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.